Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here that's in my hand. You guys can see the little logo is actually on there. It is by the brand called East Hill Outdoor, and pretty much what this product is, it is the beach tent that you guys can use outdoor. So let's say you guys go to a beach, you guys go to like a park or something, you guys can actually open this small little tent to actually use it. And it's not like a tent, it's like a half tent where you guys can actually sit on the tent and watch the sunset or enjoy your time with your families and friends and whatnot, which is pretty amazing. So enough talking, let's actually open up and show you guys what it looks like and what comes out of the package first. So right off the bat, if you guys notice, there's a bag that comes with this product, which is pretty nice. So you guys can actually bring this on the go wherever you guys want to go. And the cool thing about it is that fact that it actually has a strap. So you guys can actually just carry this on your shoulders and just get it ready for your outdoor beach adventures or whatever. And the way to actually open it up is that little strap right here. So right at the bat, here's the product right here. There's a strap to actually hold the product in place. So right now I don't want to take this out yet because I want to do this outdoor. So we'll do that in a second. But I noticed something else that's inside the package. So inside the package, they actually have on the bag instruction of how to set up and how to use the product. So there's a setup, there's a takedown instruction and all that good stuff on here. But pretty much here's the product. Let's actually go test it out outdoors and set it up and see how it looks like, and then come back and talk about the product. Pull it up. Good. All set. You want to push it down to close it. Push on both sides. Alright, so here we have the tent all set up. Very cool. Very easy setup. The logo right there. Breathable area. You have a sandbag area where you guys can put it throughout the whole entire tent right here, right there, and also on this side right here. All you have to do is pull up the string really hard and it collapses together right here, and then your tent is all set up, which is really nice. And you guys can see the logo on each side of the tent right here, which is really cool. So inside the tent, you guys can see there's like a little baggie right here. There's a baggie on this side. You got like a window thingy right here to open and close it and hold it in place right here, like that. And then you have some more bags right here to put stuff you guys want to, and then everything else is pretty nice. You got this very nice little mat right here to you guys can sit on at the beach or wherever you guys want to, but overall a really cool product. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the setup of the process and take down of the process, it's actually quite easy to set up and take it down once you actually get the hang of it. But obviously since it's your first time, you've never done it, so it's kind of hard for the first time, but probably second or third time you'll actually get a lot easier, and you guys can see that actually looks really nice. I think the only bad part about this product is that if you guys are going to a beach or somewhere where it's actually really windy, you guys want to put like some backpacks or some rocks or something to hold the tent in place so that way it doesn't fly off. Because if you guys think about it, it's a tent, so if the wind blows directly at the tent, it'll gather all that wind onto the tent and actually blow it away. You guys don't want that to happen. So make sure to carry some sandbags or bags that will actually support the tent so it won't fly off and hold you guys in place. But probably one of the cool things about this product is the fact that if you guys saw inside the package, they actually included a couple of tools for you guys. So like the 4 little sticks to actually hold it in place. So let's say if you guys go to like a park or something where they have grass, you guys can actually stick that on so that way you can actually hold it on to the surface and whatnot. The beach, you guys can probably try to do that, but I wouldn't know if it's actually successful or not. So I'll actually test it out maybe next time we go to the beach or somewhere near the ocean or something that has sand, and then test it out and show you guys whether it actually works or not. But definitely I will make one of those videos in the future. So another cool thing about the product is the fact that if you guys notice inside, they have a pocket where you guys can actually put stuff on. So you guys can put your phone, chargers, or whatever the case may be. They just want to put that small pocket that will actually fit there. Like, it's actually pretty spacious, so you guys can actually put a lot of stuff in that little pocket. But with all that being said, would I say that this product is actually worth it or not? Right now, as a first-hand directive of setting up and showing you guys how it looks like and what comes out of the package, I have to say that it's kind of worth it for $50. It's not that pricey and it's kind of reasonable price. It's not like a tent as well. It's like a beach tent, so pretty nice. But like I say in all my videos, at the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as a consumer of whether or not you guys need it, how often you guys are planning to use it, and do you really need it or not. Because if you guys don't, then obviously don't buy it and save your money. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have